In front of me is Motorola Moto G60, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this Motorola. All you need to do is open the Moto app, and after selecting those three lines at the top left corner, tap on Personalize. Then hit Themes and apply the best one by clicking on it. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. If you want to, you can always select the same settings and click on this plus at the bottom right corner to adjust your theme however you want to. Then name it at the top and hit this check mark at the bottom right corner. Lastly, tap on it to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!